Hey FIBICrew, it's Lucio, and on today's episode we are unboxing more of my Fiestaware that came in. Unfortunately, I already opened one and I was like, oh, toot, I forgot to do an unboxing, but there's two more boxes that we need to unveil. But on the first box, so I ordered Fiestaware, and if you guys saw my previous episode, they were blue plates with the skull, and I ordered Fiestaware, and this one came in for free. And it's pretty cool because I can like add, do a nice charcuterie board with this. Pretty cool, Fiestaware. Let's look. Bigger than the other place that I ordered. But these are from the retired collection. But look at that. It's all the way around. Pretty cool. I like these because they're gonna go and be used when we have a party come Halloween or the Day of the Dead one. But if you can see the design, it's pretty cool. The other place that I got was the skull is right here in the middle with this design, so I figured I'll get these ones to go with that theme. But they're pretty cool. They're pretty solid. I like the way they feel. And my other box, Fiestaware. Thank you for sending this over. Their shipping is pretty quick, which I like about that. Normally you're waiting 2 weeks for something to come in, and they're pretty quick. This one is it's actually a free gift from the place that I just got earlier. The big ones with the trim around the side. Those are pretty, this was a free gift. So it's just, I believe it's a, it's just, a nice little addition, free plate, which now that I got a free plate, now I want 3 more of these plates, so I might have to buy another, buy some more Fiestaware. Fiestaware is going to get me in trouble a lot with my credit card. So these are pretty cool. So if you like Fiestaware and you want to check them out, check out the link in the descriptions and check them out for yourself. I can't wait to see what else is coming up. I know I had to get on this. Thanks, Patty. Again, you're going to get me in trouble. I just decided to F it, buy it. But check out our videos coming out soon with our cruise going to Alaska, and definitely check out some of our wine reviews coming out as well. So stay tuned for some of those videos. And thank you for watching.